Assalamualaikum my dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Emdadul, Haque, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal Universal School, Dacha. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class 7. Our today's topic is exercise 3, problem 10. This problem I will solve in our today's class. In this problem you will see two parts. First one is part A and second one is part B. Here, what is the problem here? Determine the area of each triangle with the following base and height. It means when the base and height will be given, then how to determine the area of a triangle, we will learn that in our today's class. Dear students, suppose this is a triangle, this is a triangle. Generally, we consider the side that is parallel to the base, horizontal side is known as the base. So, this is the base, this is the base, and if we draw a perpendicular from the opposite vertex to the base, then this perpendicular is known as height. This perpendicular is known as height. When the base and height of a triangle will be given, then we can determine the area of the triangle easily, as the formula for determining the area of a triangle, any triangle, is that is area equal to half into base into height. This is square unit. So, as we know this formula for determining the area of triangle, so we can determine the area of triangle easily. Okay, dear students. So, at first I will determine the area of the triangle in case of A, when the base is 10 meter and height is 6 meter, then what will be the area? Now see, we can write here solution. Given the base of a triangle is 10 meter and the height of the triangle is 6 meter. We know area of a triangle, area of a triangle, that is equal to half into base into height. This is unit will be square unit, as this is area. So, we can write therefore the area of the triangle, area of the triangle, that will be equal to half. Here the base is 10 meter, so we can write here 10 meter into height is 6 meter, 6 meter. If we don't write unit here, we can write 10 into 6. We can write square unit here, unit is meter, that is square meter. So, we can calculate here, we can cut 10 by 2, we will get here 5. So, we can multiply 1, 5 and 6, we will get here 5 ones are 5 and 5 6 are 30. So, this will be 30 square meter. So, we can write therefore the area of the triangle is 30 square meter. Therefore, the required area of the triangle is 30 square meter. So our answer for question A is 30 square meter. So we can determine the area in case of B. Here the base is 25 centimeter and height is 14 centimeter. This is given, so we can write here solution. Similarly, we can solve this question. Both the questions are similar. So we can write here solution given the base of a triangle is 25 centimeter and the height of the triangle is 14 centimeter. We know area of a triangle. That is equal to half into base into height. This is square unit. So we can write therefore the area of the triangle, the area of the triangle, that is equal to half into base. Base means 25 centimeter and height means 14 centimeter. Their unit will be square centimeter. So we can write here now. If we calculate, we can cut 2 and 14. Here we will get 7. So multiply 7 and 25. What will be the product here? 5 7s are 35. 7 2s are 14 and 3 17. So 175 square centimeter. This is the area of the triangle. As the unit is centimeter, so area will be square centimeter. So we can write therefore the area of the triangle is 175 square centimeter. So answer is 175 square centimeter. Okay, dear students, so I hope you have understood the solution of problem 10. Two problems given here I have solved, and you will do question 13 from exercise 3 as your homework. This is your homework 29. Do your homework properly, submit your homework timely, and keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents. Stay home, stay safe. See you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.